What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dwizzle Works. Man, look at that beauty right there. Look at that beauty. Man, I'm in Georgia, and let me say, it's been raining each and every day. We can't catch a break. That's why the bike is so clean, because it can't go outside. Well, technically, I know you can ride in the rain, but your boy Dwizzle choose not to if I don't have to. If I get caught in the rain, that's one thing. Oh, and I did buy a rain suit the other day, so I'm excited about the possibility of maybe having to use that one day. So that will be kept on the bike. But man, I'm just bringing you this quick video. I can't wait for Run to the Hills 6 with Traveling Tall, June 4th, 5th, and 6th, because I plan on being in the place. So, and hopefully I had the opportunity to meet some of you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but let's just say work has been calling and I've been answering the call. So, but I haven't forgotten about my baby here. Man, this bike is just absolutely a beauty, man. I haven't spent money on it lately because I've done a lot of the things that I have been wanting to do or accomplish. So I've been satisfied. The next thing besides the motor work probably will be a set of wheels, but I'm in no particular rush for that. When I come upon the wheels, I will know when they are right, when it's the right time. So, but other than that, man, I'm just enjoying the bike, man, just riding as much as I can in between the rain. I did get out today and it started raining. I came back home and I just kind of cleaned this bad boy up. But you see what's going on. This shark skin blue is still popping on this 2024 Road Glide with the color match interfering, the KST handlebars, the Empire collection for the footboards, the handlebar on the throttle, and the other piece here, the Mustang seat with my Saddleman seat as my second option, my tour pack, custom dynamic lights. Just got it pretty much set up the way I wanted my Clockworks windshield. So man, just enjoying this beauty. And like I said, hopefully next week I can get out, see some of you guys, meet some of you guys, and we have a good time at Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 6. It's your boy Dwizzle Works. Peace.